Some people always look good and are always well dressed because these people dress up according to their body type. Hi, welcome back to our series on fashion and styling. If you have a pear-shaped body, then this video is for you. Do stick with me till the end and don't forget to like and share this video with all your friends. Pear-shaped body means when your upper body is narrow and lower body is broad. The most basic point that you always need to keep in mind is that you need to highlight your upper body, which is your strength, and not your lower body. Now there are a number of ways to highlight the upper body. Trouble is when you have to hide something. Highlighting has so much scope, there's so much that can be done. So let's begin. First of all, necklines. Boat neckline would really look good on you. If it's a formal outfit, then you can even try an off-shoulder style instead of just boat neck. Cowl necks are also a very good option, which usually doesn't suit other body types as much. You can get heavy embellishments on the upper part of your outfit, that is the yoke and the sleeves. There are so many other ways to enhance the sleeves like puff sleeves, ruffles or designs with frills or even bell sleeves. You can easily pull off designs that have padded shoulders, also called power shoulders. You are almost absolutely free to shift all the attention to your upper body. Now that could either be bold prints or ultra stylish tops. Wear dresses that highlight your shoulders and neckline. Even horizontal stripes in the upper part of your outfit would suit you very well. And if you are wearing long tops, then keep the length till upper thigh only. Don't try to cover up those heavy thighs beneath a long top. When the top will end just in the middle of your thighs, it's rather gonna highlight the broadness of your thighs. Instead, take the length lower and go for a tunic or any mid-calf length dress. This dress should be fitted at the waist because you can fully flaunt your waistline. Wrap dresses are a very good option for you. These are fitted at the waist and flare out towards the hemline. These two can either be calf length or full long maxi dress type with a flare. And if not a dress, then you can also opt for high waist flare skirts with any kind of crop tops. Another style of skirts that suit really well on a pear-shaped body are pleated skirts, but avoid pencil skirts totally. In fact, ignore them. Now, if we talk about Indian wear, then you can easily call an anarkali your best friend. This will sort of make your heavy bum disappear. Prefer taking yoke designs in an anarkali. This will help in restricting the focus at your tiny waist rather than your big bum. And same goes with a lehenga. When you would wear a lehenga that has a huge flare, then the entire focus would shift to the flounce from your hips. You can full on highlight the upper part, the neck and the sleeves in both these styles. And if you want to wear a long kurta, then go for a flared palazzo or sharara for the lower. You need to avoid full heavy patiala salwars, as heavy salwars make the hip and thighs prominent and you don't need that. Even a sari is also very flattering for a pear body. Pay attention to the neck and sleeve designs of the blouse. Enhance this as much as you want, but keep the sari lighter. Maybe some ruffles on the pallu, but keep the sari simple. Okay, so all of these were options for Indian wear. Main problem is while choosing Western wear. Look out for boot cut when picking jeans or flared jeans instead of skinny or tapered jeans. One more thing to be kept in mind is not to pick anything with a lot of detailing around the pockets. This will bring the focus to your hips. Also avoid stonewash or shaded or light colored jeans. Prefer darker shades instead. Be it jeans or skirts, you got to wear both at your high waist by default. With any crop top or shirt style tops, maybe with the sleeves rolled up, and if it's winters, then crop jacket and shrugs look really good, but avoid long jackets or long cardigans. Lastly, we'll talk about handbags. You can carry any style of purse or handbags. The ones that you need to avoid are sling bags. Again, the reason being, a sling bag would hang down around your hips, which obviously would draw the attention towards the hip area. And we don't want that, right? I'm sure you'll like this video. Do let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such videos on different body types and many more styling tips every week. Thank you so much for watching.